Hey, what's up guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat, and today we are firing up the smoker and making a perfecto pork tenderloin. Let's do it. Alright, so we have some lovely cuts of pork tenderloin here. Very nice. This is one of the best cuts of the pork, one of my favorites. So what you're going to want to do first, you always hear people talk about the silver skin. These ones don't look too bad. They got a little bit on it. Butcher did a good job already getting some of this off. So I'm going to leave that as is, but first we're going to make a little bit of a marinade. We're going to grab our apple juice here. I got about a half a cup left. So that'll do the trick. You don't need too much of it. I have some pretty glasses of spices right here. We'll throw in some brown sugar, some black pepper. Just eyeball it, it doesn't have to be perfect. Some minced garlic, and then I'm going to add in some honey. Should get a few good squirts. That's what she said. We got some time. We can cut that up into little pieces. You're just throwing it right in here. Then you're going to want to get a fork. Whisk it up. A nice mixture. Then just get your pork tenderloins, drop them right in there. Turn them around, get them nice and covered. Oh yeah. We're going to take these back out. Just lay them on our cutting board here. I'm going to move some stuff over. We're going to apply some rub. Today we're using a little bit of sweet rub of mine. Notice how I held that last note. You just want to open up your vocal cords a little bit, but we're just going to open this up, sprinkle it on both sides. Turn them over. So that's good. So I'm going to take a plastic bag. You can get some plastic wrap them nice and tight. I just don't have any. Plastic bag will do the trick just fine. We're just going to lay them in here. Close this bag. And we're just going to put this in the fridge just like this. You can do it as long as you want. I'm going to do about 4 or 5 hours. You can do an hour, 2 hours. You can do it overnight. The longer the better. So 4 or 5 hours. Then we're going to take this out. We'll pop it in the smoker. Alright, so I just pulled these out of the fridge. It's been 5 hours. Just look at these. They look perfect. I'm stoked to put these in. It is a beautiful day to smoke. So I'm going to put my meat thermometer in here because we want an internal temp of 145. We don't want to dry it out. Got the temperature set at 225, apple wood chips in the smoker. I'm going to let this run for about an hour, then we'll come check it out, see where we're at. All right, so it's been an hour, and these pork tenderloins look good. I'm getting an internal reading of 128. Now I'm going to keep a close eye on it because we want the internal temps to 145, but I'm going to pull it out at 140 because it's still going to cook as it rests for a few minutes. So stay tuned because we're going to eat these suckers. So we pulled out the pork tenderloin. It's been resting for a few minutes, guys. This is exactly how we want it to look. This was a slow cook at 225. It was about an hour and a half. We're going to cut right into this and see what we got here. I'm going to just cut right down the center right here just to show you. Oh yeah, look right there. It's still a little pink. The juice is just running. It didn't dry out. Exactly what we wanted. I'm just going to take a big bite. Wow. You can really taste that apple juice, the sweetness from the honey, the apple wood. It really infuses. This is juicy and it really is perfect. Serve this with your favorite sides. Serve it as is. I'm going to cut this into little slices and I'm going to cram it right down my cram bowl. That's just how good it is. I mean, so good. Appreciate you hanging out. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you're going to make it. If you do, let me know how it is. Let me know how it turns out. I'm going to go serve this up and I'm just going to start eating. Stay tuned for more videos.